Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Guide. Today in this video, let's learn about how to download a video in WhatsApp. So let's get started. At first, let's get into WhatsApp app. Now tap on this and we need to go to the video we want to download. It may be a video that someone has sent or we have sent to someone. So let's tap on this one and here's a video. Now we need to tap on this three dot icon in the top. So here it is. Let's tap on this. Now we can see various options and one is save over here. So let's tap on this. Now this video is successfully saved in our gallery. So this is it. This is how you can download a video in WhatsApp. I hope it's useful to you. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.